Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to show you this cute little squeegee that I've been selling here for the last few months at the window cleaning store. Now I originally brought these in because I do have a couple of customers, a couple of categories of customers that quite often ask me for a small, cheap, affordable squeegee. One is car detailing. Quite often I get asked, do I have a small squeegee for car detailing, something that will help contour to the curvature of the glass. And second, I get a lot of guys who do they apply window tint and stuff to glass windows, and so they need something. They bring this down to get the air bubbles out of the tint as they're applying it, as well as they can do a final finish of cleaning the window with this. So that's really worked out well for them. But I'm also starting to sell these to commercial storefront window cleaners because after they've squeegeed the window there, they might have a lot of soapy water sitting on the sills or up on the mullions, and they want to take that off rather than use up a bunch of rags going through a million rags during the day. So this is really working out for them too. And I've even had a couple guys say that they're great for French paints. Now, I know a lot of window cleaners will quite often use a 6-inch channel and a squeegee handle, and they'll use that as a detailing squeegee. I don't know how many times I've had people come in and they always lose these 6-inch channels because they're so small, they get lost in their bag, lost in their vehicle, they drop on the ground, they lose them. Very hard to lose something like this. It's all fluorescent green, fluorescent yellow, sorry, orange. It was working out great. So anyway, I'm just going to leave off this video with just a few examples of how you can use this small squeegee. So a great squeegee to use for inside mirrors or shower door glass, any car glass because it's curved. You want a squeegee that has rubber that's going to flex and contour to the curvature of the glass. This rubber is made of silicone and it sticks out quite a bit from the handle, so it really contours to the glass nicely. And of course, for you guys who are doing commercial storefront window cleaners, after you've finished squeegeeing off the window and you've got that sill with all that soap there, you can just easily take off all the soap there rather than using all your towels, even the front of mullions or the side of mullions. Really makes for a great handy detailing squeegee.